Hello creators, and welcome back to Creating with Mz Kaye. In today's video, it is a Spring Rose Gold Vignette 2021. And the hosts are Decorating Aunt's Place, Renters Love Luxury by N, Inspired by Chanel, It's a Cozy Lifestyle, Pretty Inspired Decor, and myself, Creating with Mz Kaye. This time, we've changed from the tablescapes and we are doing the vignettes. I'm starting with a clean slate, and so let's watch me put my vignette together on my coffee table. I made this mirrored bling tray the other day, but you know what? It didn't have handles, so I went back, I added some handles, and I painted them rose gold. So now I can pick it up. It's sturdy enough. And you know what? I love it. I like how everything turned out. So the first item that I'm going to add, floral arrangement that I put together with dollar store lilies. And I use the glitter butterfly clips that I ordered from DollarTree.com. They still don't have them in my store yet. And they are rose gold. And I just clipped them onto the lilies, and they're so cute. Now this bunny, I've shown this bunny before. It came from Ross. It was 99 cents. The last time an egg was in it, but this time I'm adding just the floral that originally came in that bunny. Now this is a DIY that I used from one of the baskets from the Dollar Tree. I used the bling wrap that I bought from Totally Dazzled, the rose gold and the gold, and I added the bling brooches to it, and I think it turned out cute. And I added just a little bit of my Easter grass to go around it because, you know, I want the spring effect. I want the Easter effect. We have the bunny on the table, and it's gold and rose gold. Because a vignette really is supposed to have a candle, here is my candle holder and my blinged out candle that I've used probably through everything. I always decorate in rose gold. I have two of these candles and I love them. Now this bunny here is a bunny that I got last year for 99 cents. The side that I just showed you was the original, and I went and painted the back side rose gold and added the rose gold bling to it. And you know what? I can flip it back over and just use it the other way. But for this, I wanted a larger bunny on the table, and it looks so cute. It blends with everything. And here's another candle holder, which came from eFavorMart. I wanted a little bit of height on my table, and so I placed it there in the center. And here's the cloche that I'm covering up my smaller bunny. So far, I love how this vignette is looking on this tray, which, you know, is a DIY. I will leave the link to it because I just did it the other day. Now, I'm not going to do just everything in the rose gold. I didn't want so much overkill, so I'm adding a few colored glitter Easter eggs, which came from the Dollar Tree. And so I'm putting them onto my table, kind of stuffing them in the grass. They were giving me a hard time. One fell on the floor, couldn't find it. You see, I'm looking for it. I don't know where it is. I'm just lost. Forget it. It might have rolled under the chair. I don't know. We'll put an egg up there another time. And so this is almost complete. So I'm going to add just another candle to the other side. Here's the matching candle to the one that's on the tray. And so now I'm going to add just a couple of my ceramic white books that came from Z Gallery. Just two of them. Just gonna stack them onto the coffee table. I'm trying to fill my coffee table up, you know, just to give it a fuller look. And here's a candle that is from Bath and Body Works. And this is just a little silver bird that I like to decorate with. He's so cute on my table. I love him. I think it's a few more, but I just like to decorate with the one for some reason. So this is what my coffee table vignette looks like. I have had so much fun doing this. It was fast and simple. This is not a long, drawn out video today. So I hope you have enjoyed. If you like what you see and you like my styling, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Now make sure you go by the playlist and look at all of the ladies' videos. And you know what? We'll be back soon. I'm not going to give you any hints to what our next collaboration will be, but just be on the lookout because we'll be back. Thank you so much for watching. Be blessed, be safe, and I'll see you soon.